Ikaw na sa sales, ikaw na din sa marketing, ikaw sa production, ikaw sa operations. Pati accounting, ikaw pa rin. Kung startup business owner ka, alam ko relate ka dito. We suffer from the tendency of doing everything for our business kasi saktuhan pa lang yung kita eh. Wala ka pang pambayad sa empleyado, kaya ikaw na lang muna lahat. But this is what I learned so far as a business owner. In trying to do everything on your own, ikaw mismo ang nagiging dahilan ng pagbagal ng takbo ng business mo. In worst case, your business will start to demand more from you, but you can only give less with the time and effort na kaya mong ibigay, resulting into lost income, bad service, and stunted growth. Delegation. That's one of the first challenges sa isang business owner. Yung pwede mong i-assign sa iba, huwag kang matakot mag-invest. At hindi lang sa tao, systems, processes, technology, automation, kasama yan sa formula of delegation. Simple lang naman ang goal to enable you to do more and let your business naturally grow. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.